also see what is coming are robots.
Okay.
People will incorporate more and more robots into measurements. So you can make automatic testing. Robots getting more and more cheap. And you can now find robots for below 5,000 euros that can go to different XYZ positions and have a rotation head. So it's very easy to use this and to program it now to go to different samples and you make massive testing. And this is also very attractive for SweepMe because you can now easily combine a robot with some measurement equipment and make immediately some mass testing of your samples.